thank you for joining Lips by CK, and today I'll be doing just a basic, simple look. So I did my brows, I put foundation on, and I put some concealer on, and we're just going to do something really simple. Oh, my lashes are on too. So these are 5D lashes by Little Darling, and my brows are by, they're dark brown by Santee collection. And foundation is Fit Me, and concealer is NYX Above and Beyond CJ07. So I'm using the Morphe palette, and this shadow that I'm using today, it's just for everyday basic look. And for those that have time in the morning, just take yourself 5 minutes and put a little eyeshadow on. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my lid. This is, again, just a very basic, simple look if you're getting ready to go to work. This would be perfect look for you. And when you already have lashes on, that saves a step for having to put on mascara. Some people do put mascara on even when they do have lashes that are already dark, but it's up to you, the look that you're going for. If you want your lashes to stand out a little bit more, put on mascara. But if you're good with the darkness of the lashes, then stick with that. There's no right and wrong to makeup in terms of how you like to look and how you like to apply your look. So I like to let people know that every artist have their own style on how they like to do their makeup and how they like to apply it. No one can tell you you have to put your powder on first or your foundation on first. Well, what look is it that you're going for? You're going for like a really bold look. Where are you going? Does it have to be does it have to be dramatic? Can it be soft? So just take all those things in consideration when you're doing makeup and whatever you're going for, whatever look you're going for. Okay, so you see how pretty that is? It's just a light, basic beige look. And yeah, that looks good with my lashes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my favorite blush. This blush is Sephora Tiger Lily, my favorite blush. And we're going to go ahead and apply it upward. It's a very simple look. Like I said, we ain't got time. We got to get ready to go to work. So yes, the next thing we're going to do is apply NYX Leon. Again, we're doing an everyday look. This is a simple neutral color. Neutral colors are in for those that, like I said, it's an everyday color. You can dress it up or down. You can even fix this look up or down. So we're doing Leon NYX. We're gonna apply it. This is very soft and natural. Okay, you can see how pretty that lip color is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a lip liner around my lips. And this just kind of makes the look complete. Okay, now if you want and if you have time, you can get you a little bit of setting powder and go ahead and apply just a tad underneath the eyes. If you have time, then this is what you'll do. You'll just put it under, put it down the nose, and let it bake for a little bit. In between time, you just kind of work. Okay, like, okay, I gotta hurry up, I gotta go to work. So the next thing you want to do is, after that part is done, you just kind of dust off a little bit, just so that it could look complete. And then last but not least, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. What is makeup without bronzer? So you just put a little bit above the cheeks. Again, like I said, this is an everyday look. And put a little bit around there. Boom. Last step, you have to have your NYX finishing spray. Lightly spray it around your face. And you are ready to go to work. Thank you for joining Lips by CK and get this look with me. Watch it, study it, you got it. Thank you, lipsbyck.com. Have a great day, everybody.